In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make business cards in Canva 2025 step by step. Open your web browser and head to Canva. Make sure you're logged in so you can save your work as you go. On the home page, use the search bar and type business cards. This brings up loads of ready-made designs. Switch to the templates view so you're only browsing layouts built for business cards. Scroll through and pick a style that matches your brand. If you want to keep it free, choose a template without the small crown icon, which indicates pro content. When you've found one you like, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Start by replacing the placeholder text with your name, then update your position or job title. Keep it short and clear so it's easy to read at card size. Next, update the logo. On the left panel, go to Uploads, click Upload Files, select your logo, and wait for it to finish uploading. Then drag the logo onto the existing one to replace it. Use the corner handles to resize and rely on Canva's pink alignment guides to keep everything centered or aligned with the grid. Update your company or business name and then refresh the contact details. Replace the email, contact number, location, and website with your real information. Keep the formatting consistent and make sure icons and text line up neatly. Aim for concise details so the card stays clean and professional. Many templates include a second page for the back of the card. Click the back page in the editor and repeat the key updates there. Swap in your logo, adjust the business name, and simplify the layout so the front and back feel cohesive. To adjust colors, click the background to select it. Then open the color panel. Browse the suggested palette or scroll to pick a new shade that matches your brand. Prioritize contrast so text remains readable against the background. To change typography, select any text, open the font dropdown, and scroll to choose a font you like. Use one or two fonts at most and adjust size and weight to create a clear hierarchy. Double check that small details like contact information are legible. Before you wrap up, review both sides for spelling, alignment, and spacing. Keep important details inside the safe margins so nothing gets cut off when printed. With those refinements, your Canva business card is polished, on brand, and ready for the next step.